Oh, where's my keys? Oh no, I left them in there. Right, so testing, new muffler. Oh, bit of wobs there. Right. So I haven't posted a video for a while, and this is because I might be getting a new house out here, and I've been at my mum's just trying to work out like things from a new house, and then it was my son's birthday, yay! So we went to monkeyworld for his birthday, which was a lot of fun. It was quite funny really, because it was my mum's chance to use her new blue card, which she was pleased with, and so was my stepdad. Thought it was very good. So we pulled up and we pulled straight into the parking bay, which was brilliant, and got straight on in, and then there were these mobility scooters all along the way, and I said, Mum, let's be real about this. Like, you can't even walk down to the end, down to the field without getting tired. I said, now let's hire one of these mobility scooters. And she said, I think you're right, Dan. So I said, alright then. Look at these, did you see all that traffic gets held up by that bloody cyclist? Silly as fuck. You know, they said on Radio 2 or something a couple of years ago that the Wiley Valley was a great place to go cycling. So, well, we got a massive influx of, oh, let me slow down for you. Got a massive influx. What? I'd already slowed down. Why are you stopping me? These traffic lights make you stop. Oh no, it's because they make you stop if you're going too fast as well, but it's because that dude was coming out. So yeah, there was a massive influx of riders, not bike riders, obviously, cyclists, and then like 4 of them died, because obviously it's not a good place to go cycling, is it? Loads of trucks, loads of blind corners, like people just not wanting to see a cyclist, you know, not a great place to cycle. Anyway, I got distracted, I digress, got distracted. I was talking about monkeyworld, yay for monkeyworld. So we got on the mobility scooter, or Mum did. And then we went and looked at the first enclosures, and what struck me mainly was that they're all like little rescue monkeys that have been rescued from like the beaches in Spain or even in the UK on like Gumtree or something, like people selling little tiny monkeys on Gumtree, and then Trading Standards finding them and giving them to monkeyworld. So yeah, I thought that was nice, rather than like, you know, getting monkeys that have been bred in captivity just to be put on show. The only thing is, of course, is that it wasn't very big because of that, I think, which was a bit underwhelming, I think. And also, like, the map did not correlate to things on the floor in the slightest. It was bloody ridiculous. Which was another thing that sort of was a bit crap. But apart from that, it was a brilliant day. Absolutely brilliant. gutted, but what can I do? Just have to, you know, gotta go back to see me boys. Where are you living at? What are you doing? Going around, okay, fair enough. I feel like the thing's cutting into my neck. Woohoo! Japanese friend called Raku, and I talk to him quite a lot actually, and he keeps on asking me what's the name, like I'll sing something and he's like, what's the name of that song you were singing? So I thought I'd just say to him, mate, I'm not singing a song, okay? I'm literally just blasting out my own lyrics. Hello! Hello! We are going to the left, to Froome. Oh, beautiful. So this man, he's a sculptor, and he does lovely, lovely sculptures. I don't know if you can see, but it's very good. It doesn't matter wood. It's probably thinking, what is that woman like doing? lovely wooden sculptures he does, and then sells them by the side of the road near Clay Hill if you wanted to go and buy one. Lovely. He's not paying me to say that in any way, I just think they're nice. I'm doing some free promotion now for him. Hello. Show the go! There we go! Yay! Hey! Yay! I got far too excited. There's a girl! Now it's down to look at the footage afterwards. I want to get home, just have a look at that nice girl. I hope it's still recording. Yeah, it is. Yay! She looked lovely with her blonde mane coming out of her helmet. Oh, it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All hail the women riders! Women riders of the world unite. Oh, I love a girl rider. Love them. Hey, girlfriend! It's because like they know. If you're a girl rider, then you know. What do they know? They just know. Okay, they just know. Out of Kia. Event horses, are they? How exciting. I really feel like I've got something stuck in my neck. I wanted to know if Liam was at work today. Yes, he is.